Tired of spinning your wheels in real estate while others close deal after deal? Well, today we're unlocking the secrets to Reipro so you can finally start making the most of this powerful platform. First, let's get familiar with the dashboard, your command center. Notice the key sections: lead generation, property analysis, and deal management, each designed to streamline your workflow. To supercharge your lead generation, click on Lead Generation here. You can filter leads based on location, property type, and a ton of other criteria to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. The more specific you are, the higher quality your leads will be. Once you've got some leads, it's time for analysis. Click on Property Analysis. This is where Reipro really shines. Input your property details, and the platform automatically calculates key metrics like cash flow, ROI, and cap rate, helping you make informed investment decisions. Now, let's talk deal management. Navigate to the Deal Management section to track the progress of each potential investment. You can move deals through different stages, from initial contact to closing, keeping everything organized and on schedule. Don't forget to leverage Reipro's built-in training resources. They have tons of helpful articles and videos to guide you through advanced features and strategies. And if you get stuck, their support team is always ready to help. By mastering these essential features and optimizing your workflow, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Reipro for real estate investment and lead generation success. Now get out there and start closing those deals.